I'm Miss Amy, and welcome to Storytime Anytime. Today I'm joined by a guest. I have a bear with me. He heard I was telling a bear story and he wanted to come along. All right, let's see. The story I have today is called Bear Snores On by Carmer Wilson. Look at the big bear. Oh my goodness. And all the little animals. Oh, it's snowing. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. He's sleeping. An itty-bitty mouse, Peter-Pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dink, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He made himself a little fire to keep warm. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. They make corn and tea, keep them nice and warm. Mouse sips wee slurps and Bear burps big burps. Oh my goodness, Hare. But the bear snores on. Oh, he's still sleeping. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy 'em up, cozy down and dig in." Oh, look, they've got more food. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. He's a heavy sleeper. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. Oh, they're all around the fire, keeping warm. And they tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. They're having a big party and the bear is just sleeping. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. They don't move. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he chomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh no. You've snuck in my lair and you've had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. Oh no, he's crying. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Mouse says, "It's okay." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh, he's wide awake and all his friends are sleeping. Isn't that cute? Oh, I enjoyed that story. I hope you did too. Now, would you like to join me on a bear hunt? All right, we're getting ready. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big bear. You ready? I see some grass. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Have to go through it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. I see some mud. Oh, we can't go under it. We have to go through it. Squish, 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 squish. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. Are you ready? Oh, I see some water. What do we have to do? Can't go around it. Can't go under it. We have to swim. All right, swim. Going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. I see a tree. What do we need to do? We need to climb. All right, climb up the tree. I see a cave. You think a bear's in there? All right, let's climb back down. Going on a bear hunt. All right, we're at the cave. Let's see. Going in. It's kind of dark. I feel something. Oh, it feels furry. And a wet nose. Ah, it's a bear! Oh no, okay. We gotta run. All right, gotta climb up the tree. We gotta run. Gotta climb down the tree. Gotta go swim. Gotta swim. All right, gotta run. Gotta go through the mud. Gotta run. Gotta go through the grass. Gotta keep running. Oh, we gotta go home. We gotta shut the gate. Oh, whew. I'm glad we are home safe. I don't think I'm going on a bear hunt again. What about you? I hope you had fun. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you next time.